Hey guys, it's Rodrigo Diaz Coloma, and tonight I'll be talking to you about the technical tools that students and teachers can use in the classroom, specifically Collaborate Classroom Technology. What I chose was a website that allows students and teachers to collaborate within the classroom and outside the classroom in terms of being online and sharing their discussion and researching and be able to do different things within the topic library. So with this library, basically, it's a great classroom tool to enhance the class discussion inside and outside the classroom, which can be shared by the students and can be shared by the teacher. You can download, share, create any topic which goes along with your lesson plan. So in order to enhance your lesson plan and to make it more interesting and engaging for students, they're allowed to discuss the topic and vote, and also research any any issue within that topic. So, for example, as you'll see in the next slides, that I'll be talking to you about gun control, which would be a hot topic right now with the students. So you can also, with your lesson plan, can be accessed by URL website and shared to the students via email or class assignment. You can pick and choose any subject and literally talk about any topic below of the website. So, for example, you find below the top find topics by subject. It's either English and language arts, history, social studies, math, any of those topics, or what could be considered lesson plans to discuss about with the teacher and student. So in order to collaborate Classroom, you either have to um, log into the Facebook or Google. You can choose your email account and password. So typically, if you use Google, then you can use Google Documents, Face-to-Face, Google, anything that Google allows you to enhance if you have a Google account. To start a discussion board or respond to a discussion topic, you need to sign in, like I just stated. As a teacher, I would prefer to use Google since we can freely use Google Documents, Google Email, things like that. If you wanted to search for a specific subject, you may go into the search engine. The choice I typed was gun control because of everything that is happening in Florida and students potentially protesting in Washington, D.C. Everyone has an opinion on the topic, so why not have students engage in conversations about gun control? Students would use this website discussion board to inspire new and related topics for students to engage in. Once you type a topic, you can go into a related topic and start discussing. Once you choose a topic, you can start posting your comments and point of view. So with students, you you can either use this website in the classroom or you can start discussion as a homework assignment, and and you can share that those comments with your fellow students and your professor or teacher. As you can see, after you write your comments, you can choose whether it is a pro or con related to the topic or subject. Once you click on that, then you can click on to vote yes or no if the advantages of technology outweigh the disadvantages. This is done by the student and supervised by the teacher. You, you also have the option to choose yes or no by voting whether the discussion relates to the topic. This will enhance participation among the students. What you what you need out of your students is engaged, respectful opinions and educated opinions concerning any topic that you want to talk about. This is why this website so technology advanced that it could help you and the student engage more into the topic. After you comment, you can vote on other students' pros and cons. You can share the link on the right hand side to your classmates and students where it says share link. As a teacher, you can see how many votes were accounted for related to the topic and see whether or not this will enhance your next progression topic. So if concealed gun laws doesn't really engage students and students don't want to talk about it because it is a sensitive topic, then you can potentially move on to something different if it's related to your lesson plan. Obviously, if lesson plan, you go in according with what the lesson plan is, and you can make it more fun for the students to learn better, a different type of learning, if, so to speak. You can also see how many students were engaged with the topic and who responded. And that's usually from the voting results, from the participation, votes, comments, replies, etc. So obviously, I chose gun laws and concealed gun laws. That was one of the websites that allowed me to talk about the topic. So discussing concealed gun laws and posting comments, you can click on the pbs.org link. You can reply below on my comment post. Do you agree that gun laws need to have an age limit in order to own a gun? That's all the way in the bottom. You can either vote yes or no. And from there, students can elaborate on the discussion board. After you click on the PBS web link and your lesson plan is related to gun control, the results will show countless articles. So in terms of your lesson plan and the topic you're talking about, the student can research and have a educated argument based on their theory of whether gun control needs to be tougher or is it too lenient? How many more laws or controlment measures we need to have? This will allow students to have instant access to websites related to gun control. This is better than Google because they link both the discussion board with research-based links. So everything is together all in one. So in summary, we talked why is collaboration in the classroom so important? How can Google Documents and discussion intertwine? Websites shown on to utilize the links, voting on the comments, respectfully agreeing or disagreeing on the related topic. I think this is a great website, a tool that could be used for the teachers to fully engage the students in accordance with their lesson plan.